Hey there! This trip to Tenerife was a spontaneous, much-needed escape. Winter in Belgium was getting to us, so with a group of friends, we packed our bags and chased the sun. And wow, was it worth it! Tenerife is the largest of the Canary Islands, and you can feel its energy the moment you land. Long before becoming part of Spain, it was home to the Guanches, the island's original people. Now, it's a beautiful mix of wild nature and living culture. We stayed in the south, where the weather is dry, sunny, and just perfect for unwinding. One of our first strolls was through Los Cristianos. It has that charming coastal vibe and people simply enjoying the sun. We walked by the beach, had a tasty meal, and officially shifted into vacation mode. If you're visiting the north of Tenerife and want a glimpse into the island's rich cultural heritage, Casa de los Balcones is an absolute must. Located in the charming town of La Orotava, this 17th century Canarian mansion is more than just a pretty house. It's a living museum that transports you back in time. The first thing that catches your eye? The stunning wooden balconies, hand-carved from Canarian pine. They're iconic, and they give the house its name, the House of the Balconies.
This is really original. I love it. Like Patty would say, from the original times.
Inside, you'll find beautifully preserved colonial architecture, traditional furniture, and displays of local craftsmanship, including Tenerife's famous hand-embroidered linens and lace. Each room tells a story, from the kitchen with vintage tools to the elegant dining area and traditional bedrooms. But what makes the experience truly special is how authentic and peaceful it feels. There's also a lovely inner courtyard filled with plants and natural light, perfect for slowing down and taking it all in. Just quietly beautiful. Up north, the landscape changes completely greener, fresher. We visited the butterfly house in Icod de los Vinos, a tiny sanctuary full of color and life. Butterflies fly freely around you, and you can even watch them being born. A truly magical moment.
Did I say that they fly totally free all over? So sometimes they can just stand on you and you have to be careful when you go out that you don't have any on top, and sometimes they are on the floor, so be aware.
Something we did a lot was explore without a plan. Just walking, turning down a street because it looked nice. And that led us to the most amazing places, secret viewpoints, volcano trails, peaceful beaches, those hidden gems you won't find in guides, but stay in your heart forever. In the little town nearby, we tasted something totally new.
This place is called Icod de los Vinos. It's a very nice town. It's an old town for Tenerife, and it's very nice with a lot of local specialties.
What are you guys doing?
Trying.
We are trying the wine. This is banana wine. Smell like a banana dessert.
Good.
Yeah.
It's good. It's sweet.
Y este es de trago, de frutas del árbol.
Oh, it's nice. It's
So what are you
wine,
drinking?
actually.
This one is also good.
It's a banana wine. It's 14% of alcohol, I saw. But it's actually good. It has a little bit of acidity in it as well.
The cactus is super good. So they have three kind of. They have banana, cactus, and drago. So the drago has a fruit, and they make wine from that fruit.
Dragon. The dragon tree.
Dragon fruit or no?
That's
Different.
Dragon. Estamos parando en un lugar que es de empanaditas argentinas. Este lugar me lo recomendaron, así que vamos a probar a ver qué tal.
Un café americano.
Uno americano y un café con leche. Y las dos empanadas. Ok.
Vale. Uno de carne suave,
Carne suave,
jamón y queso.
jamón y queso. Hola.
Y verduras con salsa blanca.
Bien. ¿Es espinaca, vale?
Sí, rico.
Muy bien.
Something very curious is that they put on top the name of the empanada so you don't get confused. Very nice, handy. In our case, mostly. And this is the drago. It's a millennial tree. It's 800 years old, and everything around has the name. It's actually the emblematic tree of Tenerife.
One of the most jaw-dropping parts of the trip was visiting Mount Teide. The highest peak in Spain welcomed us, covered in snow. Yes, snow in Tenerife. The contrast was surreal: volcanic rock, white snow, and a deep blue sky. Going from the beach to snow in one day is pure island magic.
How nice is this? So this morning we have the perfect sunshine, summer weather, and now we're in the middle of the mountains with the snow that just happening here in Tenerife. They have everything. They have beach, they have sun, they have winter, everything in just one island. A lot of places to see. I'm in love with this.
We also spent a day at Jungle Park, and I have to say, it completely exceeded my expectations. Tucked away in the hills near Los Cristianos, this lush green park feels like stepping into a tropical jungle. Home to over 500 animals, Jungle Park isn't just about seeing wildlife, it's about experiencing it.
So what do you think of this jungle park zoo?
Thing is, this is the first time I'm coming to a kind of zoo where you can be so near animals, and it's very clean, doesn't even smell that strong. Normally you go to the zoos and depending of the cages or the maintenance, you can smell it and you can go to certain distance. So I appreciate that you can go to certain cages. They are controlled with no aggressive animals, and you can touch them and have a contact that otherwise you will never have in your life. So I recommend it. Yeah, he bites a little bit. Good so. He's better in the poche. Good so. Nog een beetje. Yeah, you go for the last one. She wants a little bit more, huh? Good.
Whoa, fun.
Nice.
This can grow 19 meters. It's the tallest species of cactus in the world. It's so beautiful to see them.
Call them.
Look, he was putting like, hey, no, leave me alone.
To wrap it all up, we spent New Year's Eve in a beautiful little town with live music, lights, and people dancing in the square. That moment touched my heart. Maybe it was the music, the warmth of the people, or the wine, but for a second, it felt just like home. This wasn't just a holiday. It was time with friends, time in nature, and time to reconnect with myself. Tenerife reminded me that you don't need to travel far to feel something big. Sometimes, all you need is sun, good people, and an open heart. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Until next time.